Are the new IKEA Solskydd speakers a scam or a smart buy for design lovers? Let's get right to it. First off, the Solskydd series is 100% real. IKEA released these Bluetooth speakers worldwide in December 2025. But I've seen tons of confusion online, especially on Reddit, where some folks compare them to previous IKEA Sonos collabs. So, if you're worried you're being scammed, here's the truth. The only real scams out there are from shady third-party websites. If you see free surprise boxes or crazy discounts for Solskydd speakers on sketchy social media ads, stay far away. Only buy from the official IKEA website or an actual IKEA store. Now let's talk about the speakers themselves. Designed with Tekla Evelina Severin, Solskydd's all about turning speakers into art. You've got three options: the 8-inch for $79.99, super portable, lasts up to 25 hours on a charge; the 11-inch for $99.99, mounted on your wall or stand; and the big 18-inch wall mount only, $139.99, and it packs a punch at 93.6 decibels. All models come with Spotify Tap. Plus, you can connect up to 100 of these bad boys for a full home vibe. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the catch. If you care most about audio quality, dedicated speaker brands in the same price range might sound a bit better. Solskydd is about making your space look cool. Think stylish, not audiophile. So, are you being scammed? Absolutely not, as long as you buy from IKEA. But if you're chasing that perfect sound, weigh your priorities. Design or pure audio? Let me know. Would you pick Solskydd for the style or stick to classic speakers for the sound?